Hello, this is Jo Adams, Editor-in-Chief of AJP-Cell Physiology. I'm making this recording to announce our Paper of the Year 2019 award winner. Usually I would make this announcement during the Experimental Biology Conference, but obviously that's not possible this year. The goal of the Paper of the Year award is to recognise and celebrate the major research contributions that are made by early career researchers. The award is being made for an outstanding paper published in 2019 on which a graduate student or researcher in the first 5 years of their postdoctoral research has contributed as the single first author. The other criterion is that the paper must have been highly ranked during the first round of peer review. All the eligible papers are then scored by the associate editors of AJP-Cell Physiology. So from the eligible papers this year, I'm extremely pleased and delighted to announce our winner. Who is Holly Allison from the Department of Biomedical Engineering, National University of Ireland, Galway, Ireland. And Holly wins for a paper co-authored by herself and her PhD mentor, Leisha McNamara, for the paper entitled Inhibition of Osteoclastogenesis by Mechanically Stimulated Osteoblasts is Attenuated During Estrogen Deficiency. And you can read this paper through the link at the bottom of the slide. So many congratulations, Holly, and all the best for your future career.